Hello guys, Lance here and welcome to my vlog. So today's vlog is we're on our way to Labangon and we're going to attend Bible study in Labangon. So after that, yeah, I don't know saan kami pupunta after that, but yeah, mag-Bible study kami at Himala. Napaka-juice na namin. So yeah, see you there. Yo, andito na kami sa Ayala. Pupunta na lang kami sa tawag yung terminal for one last ride para makapunta na kami sa Labangon. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So,
dito mo kuan atuan tanaw
Happy birthday to you. Ano? Ay, blood ako. Oh. Kaya sure. Game. Ay, tingnan natin. Okay, 1, 2, push. Push talaga.
hangin yung ano. MLTO. Yung mga tanara taasa.
Sabaw mo ka
Sa SM. Hi guys! So,
welcome to my vlog. First vlog, first guest is my sister yet. So, atong button karon kay mag-holta. Nami gipalit sa SM sa carton nga wala may ibang tisod. Then amo siya i-open din. Nami hatag mga giveaways. Then, ang maniwala baliw. chat naman ako sa JMPRYX VG. Then, i-raffle ako mga name then. Kung sino tayo makadawat, mo i-down. So, first round na mo kay Kuan. Kani.
So, yeah, tapos we're done. Tapos na silang mag-Bible study at tapos na rin kami kumain.
so doon
yeah.
kami, dahil mainit dito.
Oo. Papunta kami ng SM ngayon. Para puntahan yung cousin ko
Kasi pupunta kaming SM Seaside kasi tinawag siyang SM Seaside kasi malayo.
Nasa tabing dagat.
Tabing dagat pala yun.
Ang hirap ko usapin ng mga ka-churchmate ko. Mga puro Tagalog, di ako marunong. Nahihiya tuloy ako. Pwede mag-English ka? Hindi rin ako marunong. May Bisaya naman ah. Lagi ka itong mga leader ito mo iba. Mga Tagalog. May isa nga kaming yung kauban sa kanba, dandan tayo. Hindi talaga nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog, Bisaya, pero hindi nakakapagsalita. Pero yung naka-vlog? Hindi, yung basta, wala nga to. Akala ko nga puro lang kayo lalaki din sa church niya. Yung babae naman to. Si Kuya Perslo, yung girlfriend niya, yung pinto ko. Tagalog ko pero hindi ka naman. Ang init naman dito, walang pang Kaya nag-aantay kami ng jeep ngayon sa dito. So, doon pala kami. Mali doon. Kasi walang papasok yung jeep dito kasi private road to sa akin to. Bakit sila papasok? Tangina. Ang hirap pala pag di mo alam yung lugar mo. Mahirap sila. Si 7-Eleven doon. Layo pa? Ayun naman. Tapos tanong kayo ng saan yung patang Ayala? Tama yan. Ang hirap kasi sa Manila. Maraming skin na eh. So, ano ka ba dito Manila? Ay, oo nga, pero mas easy dito memorize. Doon sa Manila, pero na-memorize ko na Manila. May mga pautang nga kami. Ako yung nagbibigay ng pera. Pero hindi sila nagbibigay sa akin. Kaya nga naloko ako dahil wala na akong pera. Kaya umuwi lang siguro. Umuwi na lang ako dito para kung ba? Sige, kasi parang dito dapat mag-English ka. I have an international viewers, bro. Ah, you have international viewers? Yeah. You remember? That's right. Huh? Steven, remember? Ah, Steven. Shout out, Steven. Steven's, yeah. Dinamo. Banamo, yeah. It's not his real name. You're my inspiration of my vlogs. Yeah. I always sige na sunod. I always follow your the way you make your vlog. Ha! Layo pa pala. So, where's the 7-Eleven? Yeah. Where's the 7-Eleven? Yan. May SM mo? Tama pala dito may SM. Kasi ka pwede ka sa friends. Kasi ka pwede ka sa kanparais. Ara. Ito daw pa po. Sige, thank you. Salamat. Pag wala talagang alam sa mga. Ikaw, huwag ka mag-G-walking. Baka dito naman tayo. Dito tayo. Sige, see you in the jeep. Inayalan. SM pala. Sige, bye guys. Bye.
So, apa tadi? Jadi kah? Bintang na ang kinsa. Pabad mo.
Uberbiran na sa ikanang sa foodland. Na foodland trek baka nang eskwela na madapit UC ba?
Oh.
Pasakay mo ka na dira ag nigabot lagi sa jeep daghang kay nagtaw bintana na uban agi lagi. So, andito na kami sa SM.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Gitang-tang ligo turpulin dira.
Ha. Later pa yung SMC said, pinuntahan na namin yung kasi nandito na nag-renew ng kanyang license. Yes. So, we're going inside now and we're going to the LTO office.
So, mag-separate yun tayo ka, sir. Ari ko.
So, see you inside. Ha! Entrance coming. Oh. I have to open my bag. Shoot. So, yeah. That'll be a hold.
So, ngayon, gala-gala without bringing money.
I'm speaking English, right? Where are you going, ha? Tabahan ako. Asa lapit? Second floor naman eh. So, magtatanong na lang kami. So, yeah. Cyber zone. So, nawawala na talaga kami. Ang yaman-yaman ng isim, walang free wifi. Tingnan eh, walang wifi. Sigurado.
We're here in the parking lot of the
Yeah.
SM Cebu City because
Yeah.
we're going to
SM again.
Yeah,
At seaside.
another SM but in a seaside. Sea, in a, tabi ng dagat. Seaside.
Ang seaside.
Ano?
B o D. Side to seaside.
So yeah, see you in the trouble. See you in the car because we're looking for it. And yeah, so madilim kasi dito. Kaya I'm going to turn it off and yeah, daming daldal. We're here in Seaside, yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. Seaside's so big, you know? You may lost that there, you know? Oh, my flag. Yeah, we're here in SF Seaside now. And we're waiting for the elevator. We're going up, 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 up. Yo guys, we're now in the 3rd floor and we're looking for the milk tea. What called that? Coco? Coco. So yeah, we're here in skating. We're going to try to skate, bro. I want to try. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Down.
Hi, we're eating now Turks and I got hungry and me too. Thank you. See you later. So we're here in 3rd floor, 2nd floor, upper ground floor to find the cocoa milk tea and it's there, I think. The guard said it was the direction is in the mountain wing atrium, and yeah, we're going to find it right now. Yeah, and I'm so disappointed because I didn't get a skateboard. Skating. We weren't able to go skating because yeah, there's a reason, something like that. And maybe next time I'm going to save money to afford 220. So yeah. We found the cocoa one. Cocoa, the milk tea. Is this Chinese? Yes, it's Chinese milk tea. There it is. Oh, haba ng pila. Yo guys, that is for today. Thank you for watching my vlog and hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much. Thank you, and please subscribe, and yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.